Parmesan cheese. Rich, nutty, and absolutely irresistible. You know it and you love it. But have you ever wondered what makes Parmesan cheese such a rock star in kitchens across the world? I mean, it's on pasta, it's in risotto, and seriously, this cheese is everywhere. But how did it become the king of cheeses? Parmesan, or as the Italians say, Parmigiano-Reggiano, is the legendary hard cheese that comes straight from Italy. And trust me, the process of making it is pure art. It's named after the regions of Parma, Reggio Emilia, and surrounding areas where it's been made for centuries. The process of making Parmesan starts with high-quality cow's milk. Yep, milk, from cows that munch on local grass. That's how you get that unique, nutty flavor. After the milk is heated and curdled, cheesemakers separate the curds from the whey. These curds are then pressed into large molds to give Parmesan its iconic wheel shape. Now, here's where it gets serious. Aging. This isn't your ready in 2 minutes instant noodles kind of deal. Parmesan is aged for up to 36 months. The older it gets, the deeper, grainier, and more intense the flavor. And when the cheese finally matures, bam! It gets the ultimate seal of approval, the official Parmigiano-Reggiano stamp. Think of it as the blue tick verification for cheeses. So, the next time you grab a wedge of Parmesan, remember, it's not just cheese. It's centuries of tradition, consistent patience, and pure Italian passion packed into every bite. Parmesan cheese, truly the king of cheeses.